Yo, what's up guys? Welcome back to my channel and today I'm back with another video of Cloud RP. So yeah, I'm once again with Marwat also and
Yeah, what's good, guys?
so as you have seen from the last episode, I bought this luxurious car but I bought it in black but I changed the color, changed the grill a little bit and did
Yeah,
some
but
customization
black
to
was
it.
better.
Nah, white.
Yeah,
And
nah,
I
bro.
also changed the windows to limo, so it looks really good now. And also, Marwat
It has
bought a new
is
house.
it? Yeah, bro.
Let's check your house, bro. Sitting.
Yeah, this right,
Yeah.
right.
Okay. It's over here. So this is the house that Marwat bought. It's like really close to mine, and let's see. It's quite
And
big.
tell them how much price did I buy it on?
Yeah, like I bought my house for 600K as you have seen, and this guy bought it for 90K and $1.
$1.
Yeah, like I bought it for 600K and this guy bought it for 90K and $1. Like I said, then. So our plan today is to buy like a drift car
Drift cars.
because yeah. Let's see. I think we should go to this dealership. I think we would find some cars over there. So this video is brought to you by Cloud RP. If you haven't started playing in the server yet, what even are you doing? Click the link down in the description, click the server you want to join, register your account for free, and then download the Rage MP launcher. Then after this you can come and play, but you just have to have an original copy of GTA 5. If you use my promo code, you will get 20k and 100 cloud coins. So what are you waiting for? Click the link down in the description and start playing Cloud RP. Cars.
Try the Dinka Mark II, bro.
Wait, it's not loaded yet. Oh, this looks like a quite good drift car. Let's test drive it. Okay.
Yeah.
Oh,
Oh my God.
wait.
Yo, it drifts so good.
Oh yeah, it cannot stop drifting.
Oh my God, I just did a 180 angle, bro.
Oh, why am I lagging so much by the way? Oh my god, that was such a good drift by the way. Oh, I think this is like a really good car.
Yeah. I think we should just buy this.
Yeah. Buy it in. I think we should buy it in change colors.
I'm gonna buy it white.
Okay. I'm gonna buy it in black. Let's do it. One, two, three, go. I bought it. Oh my god.
Saying
Wait.
1, 2, 3.
Wait. Oh my
Bought it.
god.
Oh
Oh
my
my
God.
god. Oh my god. Bro,
Which one
my
is mine
poor
again?
Lexus.
Oh, this is mine.
Yeah, your one was white. Bro, I'm so happy. Oh my god.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Yo.
Oh my god.
Yo.
Oh my god. The drifting.
Follow me, follow me. Did you check that? Did you see that, bro?
Yeah.
Oh my God. Into this parking?
Oh my god, this is such a good
I
car.
just kissed the wall, bro.
Oh my, oh, I crashed. I crashed. This car doesn't spins out.
If it does, it's your problem.
Yeah. Bro.
Yo.
Oh my god, this is such a good car. Okay, so let's get the license plates. Random number. Let's get it in white. No, I mean black. Wait in
I
cash.
can't even get it in black, bro. It's so expensive.
I use it.
Um,
I got the license plate.
how do I use it?
Go to your car and press I and use it.
Yeah. You know? What? Oh, yeah. Number plate.
Yeah, done it.
Use the glasses. Yeah.
Okay, so let's buy some duplicate keys and let's give it to each other. I think yeah, it's on at the place. We are gonna buy keys for the car so we can give it to each other.
Oh, yeah. You know, it's very expensive for me right now. Because me is a poor.
Come up to. I duplicated a key. Come here,
Same.
come here, come here.
And you come
There it
here.
is.
So which one is it, bro? I have like three different keys. Wait, let me check my. Oh, oh. Now I
Now
have
you have
four.
four. One for from my Lexus. Second.
JY. Okay. Yeah. Here.
Okay. Thanks. Wait, let's check if I can drive it. Wait.
Let's exchange, bro.
Yeah. Good now. Oh man. Bro. It came upon you. Wait. I think airport is like really good for drifting. We should go over there.
Yeah.
Okay.
Bro, the government cars are so good.
Yeah. Oh
Now
man.
where you going, bro?
To airport.
Wait.
Oh my god, I love this game.
Where Bro, I just went 180.
On a drift car.
Yeah. Oh my god. Oh my
Oh
god.
my god, oh my god, oh my god, look at this drift.
For real.
Oh my
It just
god.
can't stop drifting.
And like it's really smooth.
Yeah. By the way, you have my car.
Oh yeah, and by the way, you have my car.
Make sure to fuel it up, okay? Mm-hmm.
And you also.
What? I'm poor.
Same.
Oh, I see you.
Oh,
Look behind you.
oh yeah, I see you also. Oh my god. I think we're tandeming. Oh my god. Oh my god, bro. Oh my
Ah!
god. Let's try to tandem.
Yeah. Slow down, slow down.
Okay.
Now go, no, go, 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 go.
Oh my god.
Uh-huh.
We are
Uh-huh.
tandeming, right? We are tandeming, right?
I don't know on your screen, but on my screen we were. And you just crashed.
Okay. Okay, now you go in front.
You cannot, like, you can't, you
Go in
know.
front. Because the viewers have to see the.
Oh, shit. By accident, by accident.
Slow down, slow down.
Here, come.
Okay, wait. Wait for me. You are going too fast.
That's why I'm saying, bro. You lead.
Oh my god, go.
Bro.
Go, go, go. Go. You
Go!
go first.
You can't lead. No, I can't lead.
Bro, try.
Oh my god. I mean, I can lead, but you can't like do the other. I don't know what does it call, bro.
Bro.
Call.
Oh my god, the drifting.
Yo, I should make a channel.
Yeah, you should.
Yeah.
Bro, I'm waiting for you over here. I'm gonna lead now.
Actually,
What?
let's take a break, and I just want to see what modifications can we do in here.
Oh yeah.
So, yeah, I think this is the game. Yeah. But oh my god. Um. Oh, give me that car, bro.
Oh yeah.
I forgot.
Same time, bro.
First me.
Bro, I thought the engine was like closed, but
Yo, exhaust.
so now it's my turn. Let's check.
I did nothing.
Oh. Oh, there are like a lot of modifications. Spoiler. I'm poor. I have $700.
Yay. Yo, that body kit though.
Do you like it?
Yeah. Wait, you go to the dealership. I'll come there. Okay.
Bro, let's go to the house and let's finish up the video now because
Yeah.
you know.
Can we like finish up the video at my house?
Oh yeah, let's go over there. Let's park it. And guys, like you look, my this game is like really lagging. So please subscribe so I can buy a new PC. Yeah. So I'm gonna park my car beside yours. Come out, come out.
I have the integrated one.
Okay, so guys, that was it for today, and see you soon. Bye.